let's get this screen door put on.
Today, I spent a couple hours putting the screen door on the tiny house. We had one on here once before, but harsh winds and bad weather kind of rotted it off the door frame. I'm also going to move the hinge to the left side. I think that's going to help with some water shear. That's strange. I suddenly feel like I'm being watched. Oh, hi Lucy, how are you? Hey, that's rude. Anyway, laying out all the pieces, making sure I got them to the proper length, because I only get to cut this once. After getting the pieces cut, I reinforced the molding with some extra trim screws, and I am pretty happy with how well the pieces came together. Started measuring so I can cut the door. Miko did not let me measure the door, so I hope I'm going to get it cut correctly. Like, seriously, kid, let me measure this. Finally got my measurements, started getting my door all laid out, ready to go. I'm not 100% sure if this blade is going to make a decent cut on the door, so I figured I'd go ahead and cut apart the scrap part of the door, see how well it would cut. It did cut it, but it chipped it pretty badly, but it's not going to be that big of an issue because there's going to be a piece of trim that goes all the way across the bottom of the door. Finally got the door all mounted, got a few more adjustment things to do in order to get it 100% where I'm happy with it. Right now there's only one last thing to do.
Are you freaking kidding?